Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. In the topic how the machines work, we'll discuss about how does the two-way switch work. Look at this circuit. This is a two-way switch circuit. As you seen from this figure, we can observe a common wiring setup involving two switches. The middle wire represents the common pin of the both switches. This is the middle wire, the black wire is a common pin for both switches, while the line 1, these are, suppose these are line 1 and this line 2, these two lines, line 1, line 2 pins are each switch carry the live current from the power sources. In line 1, this also line 1 and line 2 is connected. When the plunger, this is a plunger, that is a switch. When the plunger of the first switch moves downward, what happened? This plunger moves downward. What happened? This is connected. When the plunger of the first switch moves downward, it establishes the connection with the line wire. Simultaneously, the plunger of the second wire, second pin, what happened? Simultaneously, the plunger of the second switch is in the upward position. Then making contact with the live wire of the bulb. That means this is connected through this way and the circuit closes and bulb glows. That is a bulb start to illuminate because the circuit is closing. This configuration creates a closed circuit allowing the bulb to illuminate. Conversely, that means opposite way. Conversely, if we move the plunger of the switch upward, it interrupts the connections. Even the plunger of the first switch remains in the upward position. The light connects become open, resulting in the bulb turning off. That means this switch, this plunger go up. There is no closed circuit. It bulb off. Now let's consider the second scenario. The second scenario is in second pin. What happened if the plunger of the second switch moves upward? What happened? It connects with the live wire of the light bulb. Meanwhile, the plunger of the first switch remains in the downward position, touching the live wire. As a result, the bulb receives power and light up. However, the plunger of the second switch moves downward. If it disconnects from the live wire of the bulb, causing to open the circuit, subsequently turning off the light. In this manner, the two-way switch enables to control the bulb's power state from different locations, regardless of their physical separation. Of the coordinated movement of both switches allows for convenient on-off operation of the light bulb. This is very useful in staircases. Suppose while moving staircases, here the two-way switch is connected here, upward, up position and down position. If you want to go up, when you want to light on, first here switch on here, this first switch, and light glows. Then you go up. While entering the second gate, that is upper door, if you want to close the bulb, that means if I want to switch on off, we have to push this button. That means it closes the circuit. It is useful for staircases mostly. While you come back from upward to downward, the same procedure. That means what here switch on, and go down and further you are going entering down floor, then we can close the switch from this position. Also in bed, while you are sleeping and you want to switch on or off your a fan or some other sources, just while you laying in the bed and switch off your nearby, switch off and switch on. While go out from the room, we can close on and close or open the switch when you are going out from the room through the door. Now this is very useful and simple circuit. Then we'll discuss further detail about this. The two-way switch is also a three-way switch. Allows you to control your light from your different locations. It works by using a combination of two switches to create multiple possible circuits, allowing you to switch the light on and or off the each switches. How it works? Two switches. You will need two-way switches, often called the three-way switches is not in North America to create two-way switches circuit. Switches positions. Each switch has three terminals, common terminal and two traveler terminals. Yeah, this is a common terminal, two travel terminals here also. Next, multiple circuit. When the switches are in different position, the current can flow through different paths, allowing you to switch the light on or off from each switches, either switches. Connecting the switches. The switches are wired in a specific way using the common and traveler terminals to create the different circuit paths. Switching the light. When you flip either switches, you are changing the circuit path, either turning the light on or off. Simplified explanation, look at here. Imagine the two switches are like two traffic lights. When both are green, the light is on. When one is red and other is green, the light is off. You can change the circuit by flipping either switches, just like changing the traffic light. In essence, the two-way switch allows you to control a light from two different places by using two switches and their different possible circuit paths. So far we discussed about construction and working principle of two-way switch. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.